Hmm. Oh Lord. How do I turn the camera? So good day guys. I guess the phone decide to stay cause the thing I know so the life coulda do crossway like this. It a do crossway now. The phone a turn crossway. You know, like you do in a vlog. Yeah. So that's how it turns. Mm-hmm. Yep. So I am here guys. There you know. I'm going to do some straightening up and thing. I don't know if maybe because me did have the phone crossway, it decides to stay like that. It decides to stay like that. Okay. Let's see what it says. Well, my live start a little bit early. I touch on the pen icon. Press down, pin. Good day. How are you doing? Hope all is well. How is your day? How is your day? The phone decides to stay crossway today, so I don't know. I didn't know that you could even do a live with the phone turned crossway. I didn't know that. I will go over the other side because right here, so through the light on, over on the side here. I never know so the life could have do crossway till just now. Panda phone here, it set crossway. Anyways, so there we go. I forgot to check that message there. Today is my son's birthday, guys, and I'm telling you, happy Valentine's to everybody, you know. Have a great day. You and your, you know, your other significant other. Yeah, and family and friends. have a great day. Wherever you might, go somewhere or you might stay home. Have a great day. Either way, have a great day. Yeah. So for me, I am here, straightening up and things like that. It's my son's birthday today. I'm gonna keep a party, but we might just get him something. He wants pizza and he wants cake, so we're gonna get him the pizza and the cake so that we'll have that and we'll just enjoy the rest of the day. Stay home, enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah. So I just hope all is well. Let me go and see what that. I hear the phone made a sound. Not much long, so I'm gonna go and see what it's about. I'm gonna go. Mr. The phone decides to stay. Me never know, said I didn't know that it could have turned cross way when you're doing a live. I didn't know that until just now. I know this phone do it, but I don't know if the other phone can. I try to make it stay up now and it not stay up. Anyways, let me go and see what's going on my phone. So guys, how are you doing? Hope all is well. I hope all is well. Oh, hope all is well. You know, we turn the camera, but me don't know why the camera turn this way. Me never know. Oh, it's rotate. Oh, it rotate to this, to the side. Me don't know. Maybe me did have the camera crossway. So maybe two me did have the camera crossway. So it just stayed. I didn't know that it could have turned crossway like this. Unless them change up things, you know. So the camera can turn crossway when you go live. First time it used for I don't want them to lose at all. Yeah. So good afternoon. How are you doing? How was your afternoon? How are you doing, guys? So sorry about that, guys. I had to take that one because it was important. It was important. Yep. Let me come and sit down. You know the phone. I forgot use the stand to put the phone on. I forgot use it. Oh, I don't know how it gets returned crossway like this. But anyways, I just go use it that way here because at least now I know say it can turn crossway. Cause back then it always have like a little issue with when you turn it that way here, it's like no signal, it wasn't picking up. Yeah. So now me realize I can turn that way here now. But me that try to turn it the other way. Let me see what happened when me touch that. Okay. Let me touch that. That's the other side of the camera. So I guess it rotates when I started the live. So it's like me turn the phone crossway. So it started, it stays that way. That's what happened. It stayed that way. So you know enough about my issues, you know. I hope all is well for Valentine's Day for everyone. And you know, most people say them don't celebrate Valentine's Day. You know, most people say they don't celebrate it, but for me, I have to celebrate it because my son was born on Valentine's Day. And if you're a person who, they say Valentine's Day have to do is for lovers. Yeah, they say Valentine's Day is for lovers. So eventually, the lovers will be celebrating, you know, and all these things. So I guess that's a good thing, right? That's a good thing. Yeah. So, that's a good thing. I would say that's a good thing. Okay. How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining my live. How is your Valentine Day? Hope your Valentine Day going well. May I try to get this thing for alright, make it stay like this and then see what happens. I don't know. I ask questions. I ask questions and then I'll be looking. How are you doing, silent watcher? The phone turned crossway. I didn't know that back then when you try to like, or maybe you just have it in your hand and then it turned crossway. The internet, the live would have like pause because of the phone turning crossway. Now me turn it crossway and me realize it pick up same way. But the only thing is that it's stuck now on crossway like this on a wider screen. Yeah, it's stuck on a wider screen now. So, you know, which is a good thing because you get a wider screen. That's good. Hope your day is going well, guys. Happy Saturday otherwise from Valentine's Day. For those of you who are celebrating your birthday, big up yourself. Happy birthday from A&I to you all. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy birthday. Happy anniversary. These persons are celebrating their anniversary on Valentine's Day. And that is an awesome thing, when you get married on Valentine's Day, more love, and you feel more connected to the Valentine's Day. Whether it's your birthday, whether you're born on that day, whether you got married on that day and stuff like that. Yeah, that's awesome. Hello, how is your day? Hope all is well. A&I do a midday live. Yeah, yes. I'm here trying to do a midday live. How are you doing? Let me see if finally see the screen. That phone here come like it upgrade, you know. It look like that phone here upgrade. Because wait I do you know what the first me see it I do it. I just touch the screen and it gets brighter. First time I'd have to like touch the icon to the side and it get brighter. Well, okay, so guys, I am chilling with you guys for a bit. I know that when persons see this short live stream, they can say, well, A and I went live in the 12 midday, yeah. So silent watchers, hope all is well. Hope you're doing great on this Saturday. So okay. Okay, so let me see again. Let me see again. So good afternoon, good afternoon. I'm gonna stay for a bit, guys. I'm so busy today. I would say I have a lot to get done, but I'm just gonna stay a while and then I'm gonna just finish up what I was doing earlier. Yeah. In the meantime, I try to look for something to as well, same way. Sometimes you have 1,000,001 things to do at once. 1,000,001 things doing, you know. But what you have to do is just think about the first thing that you want to get done and do it. And then move on to the second and the third and the fourth and the fifth. And the list goes on, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing basically. So have a great afternoon. Oh, okay. You're actually turning it off. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. You learn as you go along, right? So What do you guys want for your Valentine's Day today? Is it chocolates? I am craving some chocolates, you know. Yeah, some chocolates and some cake, some ice cream. Oh my God. I would love to eat some yummy, yummy ice cream. Yeah, some yummy ice cream that tastes so yummy. You know, well frozen. You know, you just sit down and maybe you're watching a movie. Maybe you're watching a movie and you just sit down there, you know, and you enjoy your ice cream and thing, and you have your chocolate. You're having your chocolate, your ice cream, your cake. Guys, you know the ice cream with the cake. I've never tried the chocolate with the cake and the ice cream all at once, but I have tried the ice cream with the cake. It tastes really, really good. Yeah, it tastes really, really good. I had that one. I tell myself, look here, I'm just gonna try it with the cake. And it tastes good. Really, really, really good. Tastes really, really, really good. I enjoyed it. Yeah. So, you know, thanks for all the persons who are passing through. You know, enough respect from A and I. You know, during the week, guys, I'm on the road most of the time. I'm on the road, but you know, for this week coming, I'm gonna see how best I can come on to do my live. I'm still gonna do my live in the morning. Still gonna try to see if I can do my live in the midday, and still try to do a live in the 6 p.m. as well, same way. Being consistent is what it's all about. Being consistent. Being consistent is a great thing to do. You know, when you go live, always try to be consistent, because at the end of the day, it is worth it. It is worth it. Yeah. I'm telling you. So right now, a Valentine's Day. So Valentine's is the talk for the day today. For the whole day today, we're talking about Valentine's Day. Till night come down, we're talking about Valentine's, you know, cause that's the day. That's the day we're having today, Valentine's Day, you know. Lovers Day today, Lovers Day. So you know, normally a person would request their love song, their favorite love song. I'm telling you, from back in the days, people normally have some lovely love song. Some person would say Whitney Houston. Some persons would say Mariah Carey. Oh my God! Some persons would say Mariah Carey. Some persons would say Tony Braxton. Yeah. Some persons would say Michael Bolton. Oh my God. Some persons would say, let me think about it. Some persons would say, hmm. Some persons would say, Diana Ross. Oh my God. Diana Ross. I'm telling you. Oh my God. I haven't seen Diana Ross in a while. Oh my God. I'm telling you. New upcoming artists supposed to be, you know, trying to fill these shoes of these great icons. I'm telling you. Yeah, Diana Ross is a great singer. Yeah, great. She's so great, I'm telling you. I haven't seen her in a while. You know, we understand that over the years, the artists, you know, they got persons aren't getting any younger, I would say. So eventually we're all aging. So you know the younger ones coming up, if you can take up the baton and run with it, as we Jamaicans would say. Take up the baton and run with it. Yeah. So Tony Braxton is very nice, and you have Rihanna. You know, guys, me just name the artists them because you know persons who love a good proper love song like all right now Brian McKnight, like all right now they're in love and it's Valentine's Day, so you know all of the lovers them a come out, a run out, yeah. So eventually everybody is going to be requesting their favorite love song. Yeah. So to name a few, I just named a few a while ago. So yeah, yes man. To name a few, I just named a few a while ago. Yeah. So they're in love, and you know that's how God created us as human beings, to just love each other. And whether you're in love with the person or you just love the person for the person is, you know, it can be a person you just love the person. It's a friendship love, or it's an intimate love. Yeah. So yeah, just continue to spread the love, you know, for each other, and always keep the fire going, yeah. Keep that spark, keep it continue, the fire continue burning with, you know, love for each other. Yeah. It is a good thing when persons are in love, I would say. It's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing. Just continue. Respect each other and continue to show love. You know, continue to do the best you can. I don't know what happened to my chat. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Yeah, so that's how it is. That's how it is in the morning. Guys, I can sing a love song for you, you know. Yeah. You want A and I sing a love song for you? A and I can sing a love song. Just request it. Yeah. All when my voice does sound good, I will still try it and sing the song and make it really, really pop. Let it have that oomph that you're looking for. Yeah. So not to worry. A and I got your back. Yeah. Same way so. Yeah. some day here go on, and continue to, thank God we live to see another Valentine's Day, to spread the love and talk about Valentine's Day and talk about, things that we want to do and still see people that, a person that may be born on that day, a person that, well, your other half or so, that is good. Yeah, that is awesome. I would say my son is born. He's born on Valentine's Day. My sister also born in this month, February, and I would say a cousin of mine. Yeah, so all of these persons are February born. Yeah, so happy birthday to them when it comes as well and stuff like that. One love from A and I, enough respect. Yeah. So I'm just here looking at something, reading through something, and in the meantime I'm chit-chatting and things like that. So later on when I come live, I'm gonna see if I can find something red to put on. Yeah, when I wear red, I stand out in red. I look really nice in red. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can find something in red. I'm gonna check to see if I have something that I can put on to come live later. Yeah, yeah, Valentine's, and just, yeah, I know what to do. So big up yourself. Hi, silent watcher. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Thank you so much for joining. Alright, so let's fix. I'm gone already. I'm going real quick. Hi. The thing is, Ah, Jesus. Then how she go manage a pitney? Oh, gosh. Them have to go help her with the pitney. Because my pitney self. He can't manage. She old enough, but person short, and yeah, she look young, like you don't even know, say she in her 20s. You understand, cause my big daughter, so she little. So she little. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, that's just life, That's just life. So, okay. Yeah. One minute, guys. May I check up on something? No. The thing when I want to see come up, me not see it. And it has a view. Oh, I don't know. It's a view. But when you press done, when you press done, you press done and then it goes back there, and then you see the item, but I don't know. Anyways, it will sort itself out. It will sort itself out, I tell you. I'm not gonna stress myself about it. It will start to show up how it wants to show up whenever it's ready. Yeah. Da 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 da. So let me see what's here again. Guys, I'm not seeing the chat now, you know, so I don't know. When I see the chat at all, you know. Alright, me touch on chat, message, disable. Let me see this one. It was okay. It was okay. Oh. This phone, me can't bother with it, you know. No, just if you try the Q&A, and the Q&A come up all the way up at the top of the phone. Oh gosh, man, I can't bother. At the phone, you know, my problem. From me start the live, it's like me did have the phone long way at first, and then me happens to turn the phone crossway, and then from me turn the phone crossway, me realize the no signal thing did come up on it, like when you depend on the live, and that thing that comes up when like you turn it crossway. Now it come off, and then the live was continuing, right? So I guess now the phone can turn crossway and the live will still be okay. But first time you never used to see it like that. It used to like malfunction, yeah, when the phone turned crossway like this. But now it's okay now, yeah. And that's a good thing, because take for instance, you're there somewhere and you want to do a vlog, and you want the people them to see the picture or the video, you want the video to be wider and stuff like that. You know, it would look more attractive when the phone turned crossway like this. So yeah, get to enjoy what you're showing on a wider. It would look more wider this way. Yeah. So guys, I just hope your day is going great. Yeah, the sun is out here in JA, and I'm telling you, the time feel kind of hot. and then me have on black. So the time kind of feel hot today. Feels hot. Me just there try figure out some stuff as well. Trying to figure out some stuff. Yeah. The time is hot. So me just say let me come over here and go on, chill out a little bit and talk to you guys, because from the other day I haven't been doing a lot of midday live. Nowadays my midday live would like go over into like 1 o'clock. Sometimes I start the live like 1 o'clock, because back then my daughter used to like go school closer to 12 o'clock them time there. So by the time I come back, I have to start the live like after 1 or so. But shift changes now. The shift changes now, so now I can go home and do my live 12 noon, and when it go over into 1 o'clock or so, persons can still join same way. Yeah, persons can still join same way. So I will stay on until those persons join the live and things like that, Normally. So I was talking about the songs that we love during this time, Valentine Day. Everybody I think I play the song them, the lovers, the love songs and things like that. Yeah. And them back in the days love song. Hey, them song they're nice, When you hear them a play, you have to sing it word for word, You have to sing it word for word. You have to sing it word for word. You tap the pin have a line in it. You're not supposed to have a line. I don't know why it's having a line. If it's still not showing on screen, try this. Refresh. Refresh method unpin. Oh, unpin it. Oh, probably the thing is this, I probably pin the wrong one. Let me see. Let me go in. Takes me back. Alright. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. So, alright, let's see this one. If this is the one. So may I try to see which one is the one that I'm supposed to pin. I'm not sure. But we will get there eventually. Unpin it top. Guys, me there, I look on something, reading and trying to understand, you know. So it says unpin it top until line shows. Save. The key one is here. Close up to save. But now we already do and put unpin. Unpin, wait for like 3 minutes. Unpin. 3 seconds. Pin it again top until no line. Give it about 5 or 10 seconds. Good day, guys. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Hope you're doing great on your side. Good day. How is your Valentine? Hope all is well. Oh, Lord. Look like, ooh, okay. How are you doing? Hope all is well. How is your day? How is your day? Mm-hmm. I was just checking on something, guys. You know, I feel like check on stuff at times, so that's what I'm here doing, basically. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing, checking on stuff. You know, hope your day goes well and all is well on your side. You know, respect from A and I, one love, and I hope your Valentine's Day is going great. Yeah, I hope your Valentine's Day is going great. So, guys, I will catch you guys, I would say, later on. One love and enough respect from A and I. Yeah. The phone turned crossway, so through that me can't even fix it as how me da wanna fix it. Yeah, that drop down. It's falling down. You see there now? Yeah. It's down up. Yeah. Me turn the phone on next way. Crossway. So that's why. Mm-hmm. Turn crossway if you notice even the picture frame. Not really sure that much on it. Sorry. I'm telling you, the day start get hot already. Guys, we still have things to do, you know. See me come here, so come sit down. We still have some stuff to get done. I still have some stuff to get done. The phone turn crossway, so three turn crossway. The key one A, I try to come up, but the way it set it now go really show. Because it there at the top of the screen. The phone turn crossway. So now, hope all is well on your side. Yeah. So guys, later on you can also join the live later on at 6 p.m. Yeah. I'll be doing a next live at 6 p.m. where in the comments verses we can talk about stuff, you know? Yeah, we can talk about stuff later on that live. We can talk about stuff. Yeah, so here, so now, meanwhile I'm talking, I was just trying to sort out something down below in the middle right there on the phone. So that's what I was doing. So I was wondering if it's okay or it is not okay. So that's what it's about. That's what it's about. Close the photo panel. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Thank you for joining my live. Camp Campfire, how are you? How is your day? I want at the storefront something may I try to set up. The comment disappear, so we don't know. Yeah, the comment disappear. Hopefully them go them man. Oh, it's here. Campfire say. Oh Jesus. Type again, let me see, cause the comment disappear. Thank you for the like. Thank you for joining. Okay, let me see. No. Landscape and not. Oh, okay. Not bad. Oh, that's good. The phone turn crossway, so that's why it looks so you know it turn crossway. Mhm. Thank you for joining Campfire. Make more videos. Yes, I will. I will. I'm doing that. Yes, this is landscape. Oh, yeah, I understand where I said no, and I said this is landscape. Yeah. Mm. Let me touch on it, we can see the comment. So you're part 4 of Granny. Thank you so much for watching. But YouTube want you. Oh, you do not. You do live in. When you comment, the commenter disappear. So through that, we can't really get to read the comment in time. Yep. Oh Lord. Just a minute, yeah. Just a minute. Thank you so much, Campfire, for joining. Yeah, man, I'm doing that. You know, thank you for watching the granny skit as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day as well. Yeah, so yeah, so I end up put up like 2 instead of 1. So may I try at the same time me dey live, may I try to sort out something as well same time. So that's why I'm kinda in and out at the same time. Oh, I don't know, maybe just maybe touch it and leave it, and that's it. I'm gonna make it stay. Live is alright. I know Campfire. Me no know the phone turned crossway this time around, and it's like a peer problem. The live turned crossway, I should say. Yeah, normally if you watch my live sometimes, especially whether in the early morning or if per se sometimes during the midday. Yeah, so once the live active, I would say there's a lot of entertainment going on. But you know, thanks for joining. Thank you for coming in the comment section. For some reason, now my phone turned the live turned crossway. So at the same time, may I try to set up the storefront. So we only can do that like when we go live. So that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do. So it is not like I was talking and everything before, but then I was just trying to see what to get done, how to set it up, and to see if it is okay and all of that. So that's what I was doing. So you know, I know all of that. Yeah. But you're the, I would say, persons in the background passing, silent watchers, thank you so much for joining. And Campfire Fusion as well, thank you so much for joining. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Hope your day goes well today. As I said before, today is my son's birthday. And if per se persons come in the chat and they at the moment when you come in the chat, I am looking like reading something and trying to find out how to pin my shirt, on the live. So that's what I'm doing. So it'll come up like 2 times. The pin have a line in it when I touch on it, so may I try sort it out. So that's what I'm doing basically. Yeah. Because the phone turned away here, me not even see the comments, because the comment, it's up at the top of the phone, when it shows down the bottom, it'll disappear. The one that I pin up the top there, that's the only one. Because after a while, the comment disappear. So Campfire said I am not bad. Yeah. So all of the other comments, the only time I see it is when me touch the thing at the bottom here. So cause the phone turn crossway. It turns crossway. See, the comments disappear. It's disappearing. This minute I see it, and the next minute it gone. Use another device. Yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna use this one. Next time I'm gonna use this one. You're so right. I'm gonna use this one next time. The reason why I'm not like use the phone there still, you know, it overeats. So when it overeats, it's like me constantly have to put myself back into the live. So that's the reason why I'm not really like use it like that. Fido live. It's good otherwise, but Fido live, the overeating part, me and it now go work out. So that was it. So enjoy your Valentine's Day, guys, and you know, one love from A and I, enough respect, and keep sweet. And remember now, don't eat off all the chocolates. Yeah, don't eat off all the chocolates. Leave some for A and I. See the comments come back again. By the time we come back, it's gone, you know. You be safe too. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Campfire. Yeah. So catch you guys later on. Thank you so much for joining my life. One love from A and I. Yeah. Campfire, big up yourself, everyone. Enough love. Yeah, big up yourself.